Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. I am counting down. Yes, I am still counting down. Anyways, today's video, I'm just doing a simple little fish taco with some old El Paso nacho cheese stand-up taco shells. Anyways, I'm about to run to the van and get my avocado salsa since Walmart loves to substitute stuff. I didn't order that, but they substituted it anyway. So I might as well try that out. It's green, so, you know, I can use it to kind of continue with my festive Christmas colors for Vlogmas. So yeah, I'm going to get my avocado salsa to put on top of my fish tacos along with my cranberry juice because they didn't have cranberry ginger ale soda. So I have ginger ale and cranberry soda. So I'll be just making that today. So if you would like to see how I'm spending Vlogmas Day 20, then keep on watching. So I think this is everything that I'll be needing. I'm kind of excited to do this. I don't think I ever made fish tacos. Hopefully this is everything that I need. I keep adding stuff. You know, I feel like if I have it, I can just try it out. I like to do experimental stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'm just going to rinse the tilapia, put some water and salt in a bowl, of course, and just let them soak while I prepare my seasonings and my flour. Only 3 pieces of tilapia in there. What did I order? I thought this was the great value kind, but apparently not. Anyways, I'll just probably use these 2 because I'll be cutting them up in like little small strips so that it can fit inside of the taco shells. This bowl really not big enough. Maybe I can cut them up now. Yeah. Even though they're frozen. Just seasoning my flour, so I'm starting out with Old Bay and paprika, garlic pepper, onion powder, of course. I love this stuff. Salt-free seasoning, garlic salt, it's finally coming out pretty good. I wish I had garlic powder, but this will do. Some black pepper and cilantro leaves, just for some color, I guess, and a little healthiness. So I'll just crack my egg. Stir that up. Just to give the flour something to stick to, of course. So I'll just go ahead and mix up my seasonings, let this fish soak for a little bit, and then come back after I'm ready to get started. So I'm just seasoning up the fish. It'll be easier if I put it on a plate. Let me put them back over here. I don't even think I put salt in here. can't remember half the seasons I be using and on each side. Oh well. I think I forgot to use the cilantro on both sides. Anxious to see how this turns out. All right. Time for the flour. Dip it in the egg. Dip it back in the flour. Smash it on there. One down. All right, I'll be back when I'm finished. So I'm about to go put the grease on so that it can be hot by the time I am finished flouring these fish fillets. I'm so excited to get these fried up. I smell the grease. I think it's ready. Let's go. I'll just do 4 at a time so I don't make my grease drop temperature. These are my finished fish strips. So while I'm waiting for the grease to get hot for the rest of these, I think I'll go ahead and set up these fish tacos. For some strange reason, I'm only able to find one of my tomatoes, but that's okay because I really don't like tomatoes that much anyway. They'll just be for color. I think my grease is hot enough for the last 4 strips of fish. I know I should have added more to the pot, but it's okay. I was trying to save my oil, but I probably have to buy some more anyway. I just flipped my fish. Almost burned them. It's coming together. It's almost done. I'm ready to eat and see how this turns out. So the fish is done. I'm just about to put everything together. It should be good. I don't see why not. A dollop a daisy. How that goes? It's a dollop of great value today. I love me some Walmart. I don't care. I love me some lettuce. Which piece do I want to try out first? Try this one. Put this one here. Put some more sour cream on top. Alright, so I'm going to try some of this honey sriracha on it, just a little strip. And try some of this avocado salsa on it. So I'm just going to taste this salsa real quick, see what it tastes like. Interesting. I think it'll go well on here. I didn't expect it to be good, but it is. So I guess I can put a dollop on there. Half a dollop. All right. So there you have it. I'm about to make a quick drink. Ginger ale. Cranberry juice. And some sparkling cider. I don't need a whole jug. I guess it's just me Give it a good mix. That's really good. I think I can put some more ginger ale in there. I didn't want to use the last of it, but I realized I do have another ginger ale in the van, so cool. All right, you guys, it's time to eat. I don't want my food to get cold. Excited to try this out. All right, y'all, so I'm desperately trying to hurry up and sit down to eat. I do not want to eat these cold. The little seasonings from the nacho cheese shop, pretty good. All right, let me try it out. Of course, the honey sriracha tastes really good on here. I need to put some more on there. I want some more sour cream. Luckily, there's some at the bottom of the plate. Finally got to the avocado salsa part. These are really good. I wish they was hotter. Of course, my food is always kind of cool by the time I sit down. First time making fish tacos. A really good turnout. Thankfully, I'm pretty much done with my video for today. I'm going to sit down, enjoy my food, and edit this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.